Hi everyone. Welcome to English with Shabnam ma'am. As you can see on the screen, what next? You already had an experience of your June exam that NTA has totally changed the pattern. Now, you must be thinking that how should we prepare? What should we do next so that you can beat NTA? You can crack your net. So we will discuss that in this video. So before starting, do subscribe the channel, and to be honest everybody, I'm not going to ask you to join the paid courses or anything else. Then I will only suggest you or tell you to do this or do that. No, I'm here to suggest you, to advise you, to help you in every phase, because you all have now become my student. So it's my responsibility as a teacher to help you anyhow, to not ask you to pay or take any batches first, then I will tell you something, or I will clear your doubts. No, you have doubts, you have any queries, you can ask me. But one thing I would like to inform you that yes, because of my busy schedule, my reply may be little bit late, but definitely you will get your reply. Those students who are texting or messaging or putting their questions, ask them that if I am replying them or not. You will find out. So what next you are going to do for your December? Actually, it's not the time to think that what you have done, what was the experience. You had experienced already, so it's time for you to run for the December. Do not wait for the result actually. I know you have to be very positive about the result because everybody knows that cutoff will go down. But also, I'm telling you to taking knowledge is a best thing in the world. So, while waiting for the result, if you will prepare for the December one, that will be good for you, beneficial for you actually. So, wake up, get up, and run for the December. So we are going to discuss everything in that video, that how we can beat NTA, what would be the step that we should take further. So stay tuned, do watch the video. This is going to be your orientation for the December. So stay tuned and do watch the video. And if you are new to the channel, everyone, any of you, do subscribe the channel and share to more and more students. So I have prepared an overview. You already have faced. Let's discuss with that. Your June paper was tougher, right? It was extremely unexpected. Nobody, whether it's teacher or a student, none of you or none of us has expected that this thing will happen. Okay? So what would be your focus and main aim for the December? It was tougher, but you have to be toughest now. The focus of June exam was on deeper literary references, literary devices, more intertextuality, unexpected theory based questions, lengthy questions. This is what you have faced yesterday, right? Lengthy questions. Few pattern of the questions were missing. For NTA, it was outdated. That's why they didn't put. Moreover, it wasn't just about memory based question but was interpretation, your analysis, application they wanted to check in yesterday's exam. That means the exam pattern is evolving and so should our preparation. We have to take a step ahead, right? So that's what I am telling you to do. So what was the key thing that you noticed and experienced in June exam, that the PYQs from that you have to learn and then move on. Go ahead for your preparation for the December. PYQs are important, right? But not enough alone. because everybody was following the pattern of previous year exam. But throughout my video I was keep telling you, if you remember, if any of you have watched, that also focus the minor writers. That's why in my video I have included all the minor writers with their year. It's difficult actually to find those writers. There are not particular books who are solely focusing on minor writers, but there are, you will find only the major one. Everybody was saying that read, study Shakespeare, prepare Wordsworth, go to Milton, literary theorists Roland Barthes, Raymond Williams, do this and do that, American writers, British writers, Indian literature, Dalit writers were. But what happened? It was shocking for everybody actually. Focus shifted more on minor writers from each age. So this is going to be our step. Minor writers from each age. We all know everything about the major writers. Deep literary theory, not just definitions, but the applications, how we should apply their examples. What was the literary theory means, justifications. So we do not have to learn the definitions only now. Also, interdisciplinary and textual understanding should be more focused. Critical quotations and allusions should be in focus now. New areas like cultural studies, eco criticism, queer theory, and the question that one of the students shared, bricology and panopticism, these type of concepts you all have to prepare. So focus has shifted. They are checking your not just knowledge, but how deep you are preparing, how deep you are studying to become an assistant professor. Where actually they are checking, they are putting you in a situation to check that whether you are eligible to become an assistant professor properly, truly. Because this is not the PGT or TGT exam level that you have to just study and prepare overall, but no, deep analyzation. Now you understand, deep analyzation, deep study require. Deep study require. So this is the thing that you have to prepare. So I have prepared here that what should we and how should we move on. Go ahead. We will now prioritize areas based on June trends that pattern has changed. So also I have told you while solving the PYQs of June 2024 exam that June exam is tougher than December one. So we can't predict that what they will put in the December question paper. So we can't solely depend on the June trends that we have faced yesterday, everybody. I'm telling you. So I was thinking that first we will start with an overview of the December exam pattern. You will find out and you will see the difference, that what was the difference. Pattern has changed. We will now focus on more new concepts, everything. We do not leave anything. So not just on June trends, what should we do, because there are huge difference between both the cycle exam question paper. So you have to prepare accordingly. Focus should not be only June trends, but the December pattern also, that what do they do next? What are they going to do next? If there are difference between June and December, they already have making this, the prevailing this tradition. So would they can do anything, right? So now literary theory, postmodernism, deconstruction, feminism, etc. should be your focus. Detailed understanding of British literary history, post-colonial, African, Dalit and Indian English literature. Critical works and thinkers, not just authors, thinkers, analyzers, critics. And PYQs we will solve for pattern decoding. Once the answer key will uploaded by NTA, we will solve the pattern of the questions that how should we move on to for the December one. So this is going to be your main aim and focus. Do not miss this video, everybody. Also, here, not just your focus should be on concept, but the application and practice. After every topic, we will do the short MCQs, mini revision practice uh, with all the concept that we have understood and the past paper application by combining and matching that what should we and how should we have prepared. So both are necessary to do that. Also, not just major, but here you can see micro topics will be in focus. Instead of rushing through broad topics only, we will break them down and focus on the minor topics also. Okay. For example, here I have prepared everything, not just romantic age, but Shelley's idea of imagination and Keats' negative capability, etc. We know that Keats has given the negative capability, but what was the reason behind putting this negative capability concept term? Everything we will break down. I hope you all have understood. You haven't for your from your experience that now you all have to require a deep analyzation of each concept, whether it's just a literature part or linguistic topics. Linguistics. The question was now more about linguistic terms and devices. So this should be your major focus. I'm not saying here to we are not going to prepare the major one. We have also prepared many things about all this, but now this should be your main focused. Not just the writers, theorists, linguistics, critical thinkers, analyzers, everything. Okay. So here, if you are, and one thing that is the most important for you to not just depend on any PDF notes or any class, but self-study is the most important thing for you, everybody. I'm not just saying you to watch my video or buy any paid batches from here and there, but self-study for your deep understanding. I myself prefer self study a lot. I do a lot, but I am suggesting you that you have to focus on this. Okay? So this is I just wanted to discuss with you that how and what should be your step for the December one. So I hope you all have understood that in this exam, one thing that you all have noticed in mass media, whether it's paper one or paper two, the most difficult thing that the student found was the paper two. Paper two. Paper one was easier than this one. So what type of question, which type of questions you have faced, you have analyzed yourself that your knowledge, your analyzation, your perception should be now like a NTA. Deep study require, deep analyzation, self study, frequent PYQs practice you have to do, mock test you have to give, and also this time all the questions were too lengthy. The questions were everybody, it was too lengthy. So if the questions were lengthy, it must be time taking. So you have to work on this also. And how will you improve this? In each of my video, I have told you do the mock test. Solve the questions. Mock test will help you to overcome the lengthy questions. Solve the lengthy questions. Not just the shortest one. Told you now that each type of question you will see whether it's easy, moderate, and the difficult. So what should be your focus? Who knows what's going to be happen in December? If they have changed the pattern for the June cycle, what they can, what if they can change the pattern of December batch also, December cycle? So in overall, I just want to tell you that you have to think like NTA. If you can't just even at least you can try. That overall study is not going to help you. I'm not here to break you down. I'm just here to support you, help you, to guide you. So overall, your aim should be the deeper literary references, deeper whatever topic concept you are having, it should be the deeper. And most importantly, self study and revision. Whatever you have prepared, revision. And to tackle your time, you have to give mock test. So just get up and prepare your routine and start preparing for the December one, especially the beginners who have appeared for the first time yesterday in 27th June exam. Okay, everybody. So I hope you all have liked this session. This was the discussion orientation that how and what should we do next, how should we prepare ourselves, what should be the goal, what should be the aim. So this is what we have discussed today. Do subscribe the channel and stay ahead, stay tuned. And for that you have to press the bell icon and share the channel to more and more students so that they can also connect and learn something. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Thank you so much for your support, and always be happy, be positive, and always get ready to do something. Never give up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. And if you require also, I'm not telling you to just start right now, but this is what I do after my exam. Just you can take 1 or 2 day break, refresh your mind. That is the most important thing. You can take 1 or 2 day to refreshen your mind, because ultimately it's your mind who will get all the knowledge and analyze, think. So this is very, very important. Freshen up your mind. You have already been through a lot, so this is the important thing for you to do. And then prepare your routine and then start. Okay. So stay connected, do subscribe the channel, take care yourself, that is the most important thing. And bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.